Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. Just want to give you some updates on my trellis that I did and a few other things. The trellis that I made them from bamboo, wire, string, and sticks that I forged from the garden, and duct tape. And I think that's about it. I did not want them to be too tall. I didn't want them to be as tall as my apartment ceiling, so that's the reason why I made it that tall. The scarlet runner beans and the cucamelon plants, I never grew them before, so this is my first time growing it, so I'm experimenting at the moment. I just want to show you guys that you can have tall trellis also in grow bags and in containers, just like in the ground, and it doesn't have to be expensive. It could be really cheap if you're willing to go forage all of the sticks. So this is what it looks like so far. My scarlet runner beans trellis. As I told you, I don't want it to be taller than the ceiling. Otherwise, I could have turned the bamboo straight upwards like a triangle. So when I was forging the stick in the forest, I had a pruner and I removed the pointy part from the stick in the forest. They fall down naturally in the forest. And I'm just showing you guys the bamboo that I use a duct tape and string. And I also use a garden twist that I got from the dollar store to secure some of them first. Then I wrap the duct tape around it, some of them. Yeah, so your trellis can be really cheap if you're willing to go forage it. All of them, the sticks, all of them in the forest. I was getting kind of lazy. I didn't want to go and get no more sticks, so that's why I modify it with a bamboo stick. And you could see that they're very skinny stick too. So if you want it to be more sturdy, you can put 3 or 4, as many as you want together, and use a duct tape, wrap them around together. So this one is a cucamelon trellis, and I use a wire and bamboo stick, and the stick also with the duct tape to make it. I'm gonna grow the cucamelon to grow around like this. I never grew it before. If it gets out of control, I can always prune it back. But the cucamelon is growing really fast actually. Since yesterday I noticed a big difference. And my hybrid okra is growing fine. It's not going to be very tall, it's hybrid. I just wanted to show you guys this plant. My husband got me this Easter lily plant in April, and I had it indoors and it looked like it was dying. So after a while I just put it outside and I forgot about it, and then I noticed yesterday that it's sprouting another baby plant. So that's a nice surprise. So the heat is getting really more warm here in PI, so I noticed the bitter melon is going faster, and the cucamelon also is also going faster since the heat is getting warmer. And look at my zinnia plant. They look even more better than when I transplant them. They look actually a little bit bigger too. And my echinacea, my crown flower is coming out. One of them come out. I didn't spend $6.99. I got it for 75% off. Just showing you guys my eggplant. The flowers are starting to come out, and I have a fruit right there at the bottom. So pretty soon I'll be able to harvest eggplant. And this is my sweet pea. The flower is starting to come out. Beautiful flower. I can't wait till they all flowered. And that is the pepper plant that I put holes in there, and it's starting to get taller. um, I fill it up. I fill the top part with more dirt, but I think maybe grow more roots, and it's getting more strong and healthy. But what I don't understand about is this bell pepper plant. This is the tallest one, and it's growing so tall. It's almost as tall to my knees. I never grow a pepper plant in containers before where it's so tall and sturdy, unless it was in the ground. So maybe this is a special pepper plant, or maybe the grow bags really helping it. Okay everyone, see you next time. Bye.